The average age of a committee of 7 trustees is the same as it was 5 years ago, a younger man having been substituted for one of them. How much younger was he than the trustee whose place he took? Now, let's assume the age of the old trustee as A and age of new trustee as B. Now, we want to find out how much younger was the new trustee than the old trustee. So basically, we want to find out A minus B. Now, we have a very simple formula: average into quantity is equal to total. Now, there are 7 people in the committee, so therefore, number of people is 7. Let's assume that the original average is x. So therefore, the original total becomes 7x. Now, after 5 years, the average is still the same, that is x, and the quantity is also the same, that is 7, because the new trustee has replaced the old trustee. But now, obviously, the age must have increased by 5 for each of the 7 trustees. So 7 fives are 35. So 7x plus 35, it must have happened. The age. Now, the old trustee has left, so minus A, and the new trustee has come in, so plus B. So this becomes our basic equation. Okay, so we have it 7x is equal to 7x plus 35 minus A plus B. So 7x gets cancelled out. Now we want A minus B. Right now we have 35 minus A plus B is equal to 0. So rearranging, we get A minus B is equal to 35. So that's the difference between the old trustee and the new trustee. So answer will be option B.